For thousands of years, humans have looked up at the night sky and seen a faint red dot staring back. It doesn't twinkle like the stars. It glows steady, silent, and mysterious. That red dot is Mars, and it may be the most important world beyond our own. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun, our next-door neighbor in the solar system. It's about half the size of Earth, and it takes 687 Earth days to complete one trip around the Sun. A day on Mars, just slightly longer than ours, 24 hours and 37 minutes. In many ways, it almost feels familiar. That iconic red color comes from iron oxide, basically, rust. The surface of Mars is covered in fine reddish dust that floats through its thin atmosphere and gives the sky an eerie orange-pink tint. The entire planet is one giant, rusty desert. But don't let that fool you. It holds some of the most extreme landscapes in the entire solar system. Standing on Mars, you would see Olympus Mons, the largest volcano ever discovered in the solar system. It rises 22 kilometers above the surface, nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Its base is so wide that if you stood at its peak, the edges would be beyond the horizon. It's not just big, it's incomprehensibly massive. And then there is Valles Marineris, a canyon system so enormous it would stretch across the entire United States. Over 4,000 kilometers long and 7 kilometers deep in places. Earth's Grand Canyon would fit inside it like a crack in a sidewalk. Mars doesn't do anything small. But Mars has a dark side. Its atmosphere is razor thin, about 100 times less dense than Earth's, and made mostly of carbon dioxide. You couldn't breathe it. Without a spacesuit, your blood would boil. And the temperatures? They can swing from a scorching 20 degrees at the equator in summer to a brutal minus 125 degrees at the poles in winter. And once in a while, Mars goes truly wild. Dust storms erupt that can swallow the entire planet, lasting for months at a time. These storms are so powerful they can block out the sun completely, plunging the surface into an eerie half-darkness. No other planet in our solar system has storms at this scale. Here's where things get really exciting. Mars was not always this dry. Billions of years ago, rivers flowed, lakes filled craters, and oceans may have covered the northern plains. We can still see the ancient river valleys carved into the rock. Today, water exists frozen at the poles and hidden beneath the surface as ice. Mars was once a water world. If Mars had water, could it have had life? Scientists believe it's entirely possible. Simple microbial life could have existed in those ancient oceans